Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 10 best courses and certifications to start your career in PHP. Before we begin, first we will discuss who is a PHP developer, and then, his roles and responsibilities. So, let's understand, who is a PHP developer? A PHP developer is a professional who creates programs, applications, and websites, using the effective scripting language recognized as PHP. A PHP developer is responsible for drafting server-side web application logic. They also generate back-end components, connect the application with the separate web services, and support the front-end developers by combining their work with the application. Some of the roles and responsibilities of a PHP developer are troubleshooting and repairing any issues associated with PHP programs, generating scripts to help client systems to meet performance and goals, experimenting and developing software for client applications, designing documentation for software formulated, exhibiting results efficiently within the deadlines set. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is Vskills Certified PHP Developer. Vskills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 12 learning hours. In this course, you will learn all the core concepts needed to efficiently apply PHP. It will benefit enthusiastic web designers, developers, bloggers, programmers, or business owners. The concepts covered in this course are variable and constants, operators, conditionals, loop constructs, cookies management, and more. Second is Foundations, the Beginner's Guide to PHP by Skillshare. This online course is prepared by John Morris, a web developer with more than 15 years of experience. You will learn the basics of PHP variables, syntax, loops, conditionals, and functions, and then move into more advanced topics like MySQL databases and many more. The concepts covered in this course are Introduction PHP 101, PHP variables, how to send email with PHP, create a PHP contact form, PHP operators, and more. Third is PHP Essential Training by LinkedIn Learning. This course is prepared by Kevin Scogland, a web developer with over 15 years of experience. In this course, you will learn all the fundamental concepts like programming using PHP including variables, arrays, strings, conditionals, loops, functions, debugging, embedding, and much more. The concepts covered in this course are PHP Overview, Explore data types, Logical expressions, User-defined functions, and more. Fourth is Beginner PHP and MySQL Tutorial by Udemy. This Beginner PHP and MySQL course is divided into 13 lessons that are available to you in one single course. In this course, you will get the basic learning of PHP and MySQL and apply the applications in real-world projects. The concepts covered in this course are MySQL and PHP, outputting and processing data, dealing with variables, inserting and using database data, and more. Fifth is Building Web Applications in PHP by Coursera. This course is prepared by Charles Russell Severance, a clinical professor at the University of Michigan School of Information. In this course, you will learn the basics of web applications including the structure of an application, request or response cycle, basics of HTML and more. That's covered in this course are Introduction to Dynamic Web Content, Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, Installing PHP and SQL, PHP Arrays and more. Sixth is PHP, Getting Started by Pluralsight. This beginner-level course is offered by Pluralsight and is specially prepared by Christian Wenz, a web technology-focused consultant and trainer. In this course, you will learn how to process form data and afterwards store everything in MySQL database. The concepts covered in this course are what is PHP, PHP form basics, advanced PHP forms, MySQL database management with PHP and more. Seventh is Learn PHP by Codecademy. This is a beginner-level course prepared by top-level instructors. You will learn all the primary components of coding in PHP including using variables, implementing functions, using built-in functions, working with arrays and more. The duration of the course is 25 hours. The concepts covered in this course are Introduction to PHP Variables, PHP Built-in Functions, PHP Arrays, Conditionals and Logic in PHP, loops in PHP, and more. 8th is getting started with the PHP unit testing by Treehouse. This is an intermediate-level course offered by Treehouse and specially prepared by Lena Halligan, a software developer, with 20-plus years of experience. In this course, you will learn all the basics of unit testing in PHP used in FPUnit, test-driven development, code coverage, and test doubles. The concepts covered in this course are: installing Linux, configuring the Linux environment, configuring the Linux desktop experience, working with the Linux server, and more. 9th is #PHP by freeCodeCamp. This online collection of vast knowledge includes benefactions from more than 20 amazing authors, who are experts in the PHP programming language. In this course, you will get articles, videos, and tutorials. The concepts covered in this course are: setting up contact pages using Laravel, building a keyword density tool, setting up a LAMP server, creating an Instagram clone, and more. 10th is Certified PHP Engineer by Zend. The course is specially meant for intermediate or experienced PHP programmers. There are 3 levels of the course, which is prepared by the PHP Advisory Board. In this course, you will get to learn about practice strings, arrays, OOP concepts, and more. The concepts covered in this course are: PHP fundamentals, PHP certification preparation, PHP unit testing, building security into PHP applications, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.